1. Trees communicate with each other through a hidden underground network. If you thought the idea of talking trees belonged only in fantasy novels, think again. Trees actually communicate and share resources with one another through an underground fungal network often referred to as the Wood Wide Web. This network is made up of mycorrhizal fungi that connect the roots of different trees and plants. 2. Trees can remember, stress, and learn from it. No brain? No problem. While trees don't have a central nervous system, recent research suggests that they can remember previous environmental conditions and adjust their behavior accordingly. Scientists studying drought conditions have found that trees exposed to water stress can adapt by closing their stomata, leaf pores, more quickly in subsequent droughts, effectively conserving water more efficiently. 3. Trees release chemicals that calm you down. Ever noticed how a walk in the woods seems to melt your stress away? There's science behind that. Trees release organic compounds called phytoncides, which help them protect themselves from insects and pathogens. When we breathe these chemicals in, they can reduce blood pressure, lower stress hormones, and boost immune system activity. 4. Urban trees can cool cities by up to 9 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 degrees Celsius. Trees are literal climate control systems. In cities, where pavement and concrete absorb and radiate heat, trees act as natural air conditioners. Through a process called transpiration, trees release water vapor into the air, which cools the surrounding environment. Combine that with the physical shade they provide, and trees can reduce temperatures in urban areas by up to 53.6 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. One tree can absorb up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide. Trees are carbon sinks, which are natural systems that absorb and store carbon dioxide, CO2, the most prevalent greenhouse gas driving climate change. A single mature tree can absorb over 48 pounds of CO2 per year. Over 40 years, that's nearly a ton of CO2 removed from the atmosphere, and it is all just from one tree.